After 9 years, going to do. People back this truck and once or twice I'm lining you up. An opposite what I done. Too much fun. Much fun? What's that mean? Too much money. Too much class. Too lucky. Too fast. Too sad. Too much fun. Too much fun. Mom, what's that mean? Too much money. Too much thing. Too much class. Lucky. No class. Sad. Too much fun. Mom, what's that mean? Too much money. What's that say? Too much class. Lucky. No class. Nothing sad. Too much fun. It's sad. Too much fun. Don't. Too much fun.